Hi, my name is Dan Zerbeck. I'm a technical consultant with Nasuni. I'm going to talk to you about modernizing our IT infrastructure with Nasuni. In the market, we're finding that files are exploding. They're growing 10 times faster than block data. Files are getting larger because software complexity is increasing, and file data is the top intellectual property for organizations. They want to ensure that data is accessible to the end users and protected from any malicious activity. That said, companies running traditional NAS systems are finding it hard to keep up with the complexity and the growth of the file data. You've got primary storage that's located in certain data centers or central locations. It's got to be backed up to off-site or remote locations for redundancy. It's susceptible to ransomware attack, and oftentimes companies are finding to spread that data across multiple geographies. There has to be some WAM optimization systems to be able to keep that up. And organizations are finding rising costs as well as the increased complexity. And then each of those systems has its own administrative console that is keeping it difficult to be able to control and manage those systems across a global architecture. That's why customers are looking to Nasuni to create a simplified, centralized place for their data, have it secure, have it fast, and have it resilient, and be able to be accessed by any users wherever they're at in the world. And Nasuni also works with multiple cloud providers to be able to put your data wherever you want in your tenant. This simplifies the architecture by being able to put edge appliances where the users need the hot data and jettisoning your data from those NAS systems into a central location to be able to optimize the security, redundancy, and resiliency and speed that users need for accessing that data, with the ability to have one management console to be able to access that data and manage the systems across a large global footprint. Let's take a look at a Nasuni management console. It's the interface for all of your infrastructure on Nasuni. It's able to provide you the information about the volumes that you have access to, regardless of which platform that they're on, which tenant that your data volumes reside, or regardless of where your edge appliances are across your infrastructure. You're able to log in securely to this console and be able to manage your entire platform. From being able to create or modify shares for users to access the data, to be able to control the edge appliances across your infrastructure, whichever locations that they're at, being able to make sure that they are up to date as necessary, as well as controlling your cyber resiliency of ensuring that each of the edge appliances are secure from ransomware, being able to detect, mitigate ransomware in its tracks, and roll data back to recover exactly the way the state was, or using the Nasuni Management Console to recover data from the event of a deletion. You'll be able to use the file browser, select the volume of recovery, to select the point in time of the data set you wish to roll back to, and you're able to recover very quickly from the Nasuni software. No need for a third-party backup add-on to your Nasuni platform. It is built into the NMC, one single source of truth. With Nasuni, you're able to jettison your data from a traditional infrastructure on the premise to the cloud and modernize your IT. Thank you for watching.